welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today you see so many products, right? So it's not like a review video, but it's kind of okay review video as well. So the thing is, like, these are all my recent empties. These are all the products that I've emptied in the very recent past, and some of it are not completely empty till the brim of it. Some of it are very less left, so I thought of bringing all of it together and give my mini reviews on each of the products and whether I'm going to repurchase it and how was my experience with that particular product and every details of it. So it contains products which pertains to the hair care range of it and also products with the skincare range of it. So to know every details of all of these, please stay tuned to my channel, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. And also in addition to that, if you have not yet followed me in my Instagram page, please do follow me. My handle of the Instagram I'll put in the down below, and there you will get updates about a lot of food and also a lot of skincare and a little bit of here and there beauty products as well. So let's begin without any further. Now the first product that I wanted to talk about is, okay, so let's go sequentially the way it is arranged. It's not arranged according to any preference. I just thought of keeping it like these three are my hair care products which I have kept it in one place, and these are the all skincare products. So along with this, this is one cotton pads. So these are the round cotton pads from the brand Prima Donna. So I wanted to talk about it. So this actually I picked it up from Amazon. And this is a cotton pad. Like, I have tried like Bella cotton pads and some other various brands also. Like, those the quality of it is almost the same as this one, and it lasts. I mean, this is very budget friendly. For example, in Amazon, if you check it, for two bags of this kind of cotton pads, so that will be like 200 of cotton pads. So it will cost you just rupees around 175 at a discounted price, and it's majority of the time at a discount. So it's a very good deal to get both of these like combo pack of these cotton pads, and it's like I am on the verge of emptying it. Only this much is left. So yeah, that's all. Thought of sharing this with you. So I have already placed my order of repurchasing this. It's gonna arrive in like a day or two. So this I use it maybe for removing my kajal or eyeliner, or even toning, like when I'm using a toner I use it, like, so it's a very good to go with like as a face cotton pad, and also it can be used when you're using any makeup remover. So it's a very good deal, and I have purchased it again. I mean, it was my second bag of this cotton balls, and I've put my third order again. So this is my first thing. Coming to the second product in the list is this hair glow pack from the Nature Foodie to Your Skin. I have already spoken a lot about this pack. There's a separate Instagram review over this pack as well. You can go please check it out. And this is the hair glow pack from which I picked it up from this brand called Nature Foodie to Your Skin. It's an organic natural product, which is like they have their hair oil, which is super duper amazing, and I cannot just stop talking about that hair oil. So this pack is to be applied when you have already applied any oil for that matter on your hair, and after that you apply this pack by mixing it with either water or curd. So initially when I bought it, I thought it was a bit on the pricey side because it is priced at rupees 300. I found it a bit pricey, but then considering the fact for my medium length, medium thickness hair, it stayed for almost exactly 8 masking time. It was a great deal. So like in 300 rupees you are able to put the mask on like 8 times to your hair. So that is great, and it actually, like, this hair pack along with the hair oil made a major like change to my hair by bringing back its health and all of that. So this is again a must try if you want to try, and if you're facing issues like your hair is very damaged, brittle, has lost its shine and lost its health and everything, you must definitely try this pack along with their hair oil. So I also have a separate video of their hair care products that I have got. You can go check it out. It's there in the description box now. So now this is the third thing that I'm going to talk about is this Vedantika shampoo. Again, this I have reviewed I have made a separate review about this shampoo in my Instagram page. So this is just a little bit left, you see. So this is the shampoo which initially when I got, I was not super happy with it because it was making my ends a bit dry, okay. But then when I started using it on a regular basis, I completely stopped other shampoos, okay. And you have to remember one thing, you have to be really consistent with any product which is Ayurvedic. Okay, like it is not with those chemicals, sulfates and all of that. You have to be little consistent and be patient. So I gave time to the shampoo and I swear I'm actually thinking, that I should be repurchasing it again because it really suited my skin. Gradually I can see my hair is not really getting really dry as it was happening initial days of application of this shampoo because my hair got used to it. So, and this, the best part of it is super budget friendly. Like you see, for 200 ml of it is just 250 rupees. So you can get it in their website. It is super budget friendly. You can definitely try it. But yeah, be sure that initially it might make your hair a bit dry. But once you constantly keep on using it, it will be like a great regular shampoo, and it does literally remove when you have oil, when you have heavily oil your hair. And I am a person who heavily oils the hair all the time before I take a head bath. It was like I am seriously giving a thought of repurchasing this shampoo. My next product in the list is this Khadi conditioner. I also have a dedicated video about the Khadi, 2 different types of the conditioner that I use, and I don't know, I have completely stopped looking even at other conditioners because this really suits my budget and it is super budget friendly. It is priced at rupees 235. You get it at a discounted price quite often in Nykaa as well as Amazon, and it is SLS paraben free, and also like it gives really good conditioning to your hair. So I have completely finished this bottle. Again, this is a very less quantity which is left. It's gonna get over in just one wash, I think. And it's also not that just because it is not with chemicals and all, it is required in a lot quantity. That is not even the case. I really like the combo of these two. Like washing my hair with this shampoo and following up with this conditioner was really a great combo. So I already have a new bottle of this one, but I'm also repurchasing this. I'm like on the plans of repurchasing this one. Let's see, or I may even change my decision about the shampoo and try out different shampoo because I have this thing of trying out different shampoos. So that is the 3 products about my hair care range. Now coming to all of the skincare products. So these are all my skincare empties, and let's come to the face mask first. So this is a red clay powder which is from the brand Good Vibes, and I got it from Purple, and it is a super affordable mask. Okay, the effect of it is almost similar to Multani Mitti. Just it is red in color. It is 115 rupees and it stays for quite long. It is just a little bit of it is left. You can see it's a very less quantity which is left here. So I've already used it almost to the end of it. I really like the effect of it. Okay, so it's kind of a better version of refined version of Multani Mitti, but only problem is that you have to be really cautious when you apply this because it has a red color and that will really stain your clothes if you are little careless and all that. So that's the only reason which I give it a thought before just application of this particular product on my face. Otherwise the effect of it is really good and it is super budget friendly. You can give it a try. The second face mask which I again love a lot is this Vedantika Radiant Face Fit Skin Brightening Face Pack. So this is again a very less quantity of it is left. So this is a mask which is not very fine. Okay, so it has a little slightly granulated formulation and it is priced at rupees 599, a little on the higher side. It has a granulated formulation which has a very earthy Ayurvedic kind of a smell. I love the smell of it. And coming to its particle size, it is a little not very fine and smooth particle size. Okay, so when you apply it and when you wash it, you can use this as a scrubber also at the time of washing it off. So that will also be a good thing. So I actually prefer using it once a week because it it acts as a mild scrubber for me as well. So this is definitely not the one which you can use on a regular basis because the particles, as I already mentioned, is not very smooth, but it's a good, really good mask if you want to try a mask which also gives a scrubber kind of a effect. So now again coming to the face cream now. So this is the one which I got from Blue Nectar just some time back and I really love this cream. Okay, so I have a combination this cream has a really nice formulation. Like I have also again reviewed this thing in my this particular cream in my Instagram page. You can check it out. You see the texture of the cream is really good. It is completely not greasy, not oily, at least for a person who has a combination kind of a skin. It is on a bit pricey side. Where is the price? I think it is somewhere near 2,000 rupees. Okay, so it's a bit pricey. Not able to figure out the price though. Where is the price of it? I think it was on the outer box, outer packaging. So anyways, the price is not written now. So okay, so this comes in a tub like this, which is a very luxurious tub, and I am using it as a part of my nighttime skincare routine, and it's doing really good. Okay, so this is also not completely over. It's on the verge of getting over, but I thought of bringing this also in this particular video. Next, coming to this Biotic sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen which I bought because it is super budget friendly, and I wanted to try sunscreen from Biotic. I've never tried a sunscreen from Biotic. So this is priced at ₹220, which is actually cheap considering that it is a sunscreen, because sunscreens are generally priced a little high because of the formulation and all of that. But the only problem about this is it is a little greasy. Okay, so it will make your skin a little oily. So I never generally apply it on my face. I apply it on my body and all. But considering a fact, like if you ask me whether I would repurchase it, mostly no, because I was not really happy with the effect. I didn't really feel that it was giving any kind of a sun protection to me. But it was just acting as a basic plain moisturizer, so I'm not really happy with it. So I'm definitely not looking forward to repurchase it. Coming to the toner, which is the second last from my list today. So this is a toner from the brand Dermafic, and you see how much I love this toner. And I mean, to the end of it, I love it. And along with the cotton pads that I already showed you, I've also already placed an order for this toner. It's a very mild, gentle toner. I think it will suit all skin types. I have a combination, the normal to combination skin. It is suiting me really well. See, I don't have any specific skin concern as such, like pigmented skin or pimples or things like that. I have a normal skin with like a regular thing like tanning effect and all that is there, but I don't have a specific major skin concern. So for a person like me, this toner is an absolute gem. It is not very hard on skin. It is budget friendly as well. It is ₹399 and you get it on offer also. So it is not that very expensive toner, and it is not very strong, and it's alcohol free. So that's like this is alcohol free as well, alcohol free, paraben free, and also made for all skin types. So that way it's like really good, and I have repurchased this again, so need not necessarily say that how much I love this toner. Coming to the last product in my list is this sunscreen from Lotus, which I have loved quite a lot. It's my second bottle of this Lotus sunscreen. I don't know, these days I see a lot of bloggers criticizing about Lotus sunscreen and all of that, but this sunscreen has really acted well for me. This is a matte finish sunscreen with a SPF 40, and it's not a plain sunscreen, it's a tinted sunscreen. Okay, so I'll just show you. So see, it is a tinted sunscreen, it's not that white sunscreen. So it might not suit all different skin tones, but for my skin tone it definitely suits. It does not give that foundation kind of effect, but also at the same time a slight on the foundation kind of effect. Not a very it will look like white and all that. It does not make so. And the best part of it is that it is completely matte and does not make your skin oily at all. So that was the best part of it. Got over sadly. So but then again, now I might not repurchase it because see, it's priced at $275 also. So this is also not very highly priced and all that. So considering why I was saying I might not repurchase is that I'm looking forward to try a different sunscreens which I am eyeing on. So that is my reason of not trying it. But otherwise, if you ask me, you can definitely go for it. It is a good sunscreen. It's a good product. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Today's all the empties and my mini reviews kind of a thing. Hope you enjoyed it and hope it was informative, and hope you got an idea about what you should be trying and what not to try. So yeah, stay tuned for more, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, and also please click the thumbs up icon if you have really liked the video. So bye bye, take care, stay tuned.